All right, Fizz, we got to do your annual hearing test. As before, on the headphones, you hear a tone, raise your hand, okay?
Is this going to hurt?
It's a hearing test, Fizz. Has it ever hurt? It's not going to hurt, Fizz.
Okay.
I forgot my clipboard. Be right back. Stop it, Trip.